Today, we're diving into AI for small business mastery. Let's see what's inside. Feeling swamped in your business? What if AI could be your secret weapon? This book is basically your roadmap. It's all about automation, productivity, and real growth. The book breaks it down into a clear journey. Let's walk through the steps together. Okay, first things first, you've got to build a solid foundation for your AI strategy. It all comes down to three things: know the basics, own your data, and find great tools. It's about using smart tech made for you, not for some giant corporation. And the payoff is huge, real measurable benefits across your whole business. All right, enough theory. Let's see how you can actually put AI to work. AI isn't just for one thing. It can boost everything from ops to marketing. A huge win is in operations. AI turns those boring, repetitive tasks into automated workflows. For marketing, AI helps you craft killer campaigns that can totally compete with the big guys. And for customer service, AI chatbots mean instant support. Your customers are going to love it. But AI isn't just about now. It helps you predict the future, leading to way smarter decisions. Okay, so you've got AI running, but is it actually working? How can you tell? The book makes this super clear. You have to measure the impact to see the value. And tracking these key metrics? That's how you prove AI is actually making you money. This right here is the holy grail. AI lets you grow bigger without your costs blowing up. And last up, AI never stands still. You have to keep up to stay successful. The trend is obvious, right? AI is getting cheaper, easier, and woven into everything. So to stay ahead, you need to keep learning, find new tools, and plan what's next. The book's main point is simple. Adapt strategically, and you'll absolutely crush it with AI. Your competitors are already on this, so the real question is, what's your next move?